how to get back my Shopee account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get back my Shopee account. First of all, open up the Shopee official site in your web browser. Then choose your country or region from the following options. Now, to get back to your account, click on the login button from the top right corner. After that, the login page will appear. And then from here, click on Forget Password. Now, you need to enter your mobile phone number and head to the next step. In the next step, you need to enter the verification code that you received on your email or number. Enter the code and reset your password, and then you can get back your account. So that is exactly how you can get back your Shopee account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.